This is the second part showing me removing the sheared off taper pin from the governor assembly, and in the first video I showed how I tried to tap it out. I think that didn't work, so I resorted to drilling it out, and rather than put a new taper pin in, I think it's easier to put a roll pin in. So I've got a 5mm roll pin. There you go. And what I'm going to do now is just make the holes bigger to take the new pin. So I'll start off with a 4mm drill, which goes through the first hole already, and then it's just hitting the second hole. So let's make this bigger. That's a 4mm. I've never used roll pins before, but it sounds probably a bit obvious, but I understand a 5mm roll pin requires a 5mm hole. I know it sounds a bit obvious. So that was 4. Have to move that. And let's try 5. Yeah, I'm going to do 4.5 first. Let's do it in stages. Make sure it aligns properly with the hole at the bottom. Oh, you can't see that. Yeah, that looks good. So that's 4.5. Try me pinning it. Yeah, okay. So here we go with the 5mm. Again, I'm just going to check the bottom hole is aligned. Yeah, it is. Right, so 5mm hole all the way through. It's quite tight, which obviously it needs to be, so I will now drill this part. I'll do the same procedure. I'm going to start with I might need to start with a 4mm drill on this one. I'm not sure what size hole that is at the moment. yeah, we'll go with the 4mm. Check to see if that's, yeah, that looks quite good, looks to be vertical. That's that one. So go again, 4.5. I probably don't need to, I could probably go straight to 5, but I prefer to do it this way. You only get one chance at doing this, don't you, really? So it's best to do it right. Nice sharp drill bits. Right, and there we go. So, well, it's tight, but obviously it needs to be tight. So I'm hoping that will work. What I'm going to do now is, what I'm going to do, I think I will probably, I don't know if you can see this, let's see if that's in view. Yeah. So I think what I will probably do is sort this out, give this a clean. As you see, I've not cleaned that, and I've got to change this spring and put a new spring on the other side, and I've got to change these around as well. I think these are quite flat. I'm not sure what you call these little pins, if you can see those in there. I believe they just will rotate, so I'll give that a good clean up and sort the springs out, and then we'll put the gear and the roll pins on there and see if it works. So that's the end of this video.